Some freeform dreadlocks here on Not Nation Reddit. These locks looking freaking dope. Yo, feeling free and aligned with the divine. Spiritual locks at their greatest. Freeforming in, Dreadfro looking matured. Now he's gonna see a lot of length going on here quite soon, sooner than later. These things are just phenomenal. Loving to see the Congos all coming into play. And of course, you know, he's not doing any manipulation, no retwisting, no interlocking, just letting them be. Keep them free forming, my bro. These things looking amazing. I wish you the best of luck on your divine journey. Keep your head up and, you know, stay spiritually aligned. Says he's taking out his locks and now he's restarting, taking out my baby's hair. Instead of cutting his locks off, he wants to keep all his hair. So that's what we're doing. He had locks for about 3 years, almost 4 years. Congoed up, fully locked in fully. So if you guys ever want to take out your locks, you can definitely cut them or comb them out. It's just a long process. But look at this, fully locked in from the root on down. Fully locked in. If you be patient, keep this moisturizing, comb out slowly. It's a lot of work to comb out locks. To all the fellas out there, you can keep your hair. Damn, look at the length that he's maintained by combing them out. Crazy. And then he's going to be able to restart his locks on a freeform journey. So it's a good thing that he is actually combing these out. Now, definitely hard to do by yourself. Very blessed that he has his wife there to do it for him, because the average man will not spend the time to do that on his own. The gym pineapple looking snazzy. Yes, that gym pineapple is looking snazzy. Shout out Stone Cold 316 on the shirt. Definitely a good idea to tie up your locks at the gym. An even better idea than this is to wrap your locks up in a scarf, a bandana, or a tam, just to keep that gym debris out of your hair, because we all know that gyms are pretty full of bacteria and germs, and you don't want residual sweat getting into your locks from somebody else's machine. So just keep it covered at its best. People at the gym don't need to really see your hair, you know? Loving it though, love the motivation. Keep on working out, stay fit. Antisocial quell feeling, natty. Yo, these looking crazy. Definitely some flaming hot Cheeto dreads. Congoed up. A little dispersed around the front of the crown here. That's kind of interesting to see how little locks are there. And at the same time, still no scalp being shown in that area. I love that look. Some of these locks looking a lot thinner down at the tips and thicker up at the roots. You know, maybe a bit too much bleach going on in these locks. Maybe that's why they're burning off a little bit. Definitely an interesting look though. Loving it. 7 months freeformed. 7 months? What is its long lock here at the front? That's a pretty interesting lock. How did it grow longer than the rest of them? So 7 months in, definitely looking like they've budded at this point. I would not worry about them coming undone in the shower or anything like that. Definitely secured to wash as much as you want, as much as possible. Sun is already starting to bleach the tips. These looking sick. 2.5 years locked on 3C hair. Very similar to how my hair texture is. Very, very similar. And these locks looking like they may have been twisted or interlocked at some point. I can kind of see some spots where it looks like there's been some retwisting going on here. Also by the size of them, it looks like they've been kind of twisted together. Can definitely keep moving forward in a freeform fashion at this point. They're looking great. I'm loving the frizz. Keep that frizz growing. Embrace the frizz, because we're like the Magic School Bus. Where we embrace the frizz. Remember Miss Frizzle? Chill mode. Equivalent points. Sick. Look at this dread right here, how it's thinner, and then it's been congoed up and married down here. Also looking like the locks on the side of his head are coming in a lot thicker. These are going to be fantastic in the years to come. Can't wait for you to get some length on these, and I'm hoping that the dreadication is strong within, brother. Keep it moving. Forward, not backwards. What is up? He's got the pigtails on the sides, the bangs on the front, the frizz all over. Looking like a dope set of locks. Mers locks. Hello everyone, I'm hoping to achieve the style of Mers locks. I have the thick locks, but I don't think simply free-forming is the way. I mean, Mers definitely just has free-formed locks. Ultimately, he has the perfect hair type for them, where they lock together with minimal frizzy hair, but you can see the frizzy hair on his roots, on the scalp here. Also loving the salt and pepper look that's coming in on his new growth as well. The tips being sun bleached. Mers definitely has an iconic set of freeform locks, one of the best in the game, I won't lie. Peace and love to the freeform community from a born and raised Rasta. That's what's up, fam. Wagwan. Looking at his locks, super long, super thick. Definitely respecting the dreadlock journey here. Loving the tam as well. He's able to fit them all up in there, no problem. And no lie, born and raised a Rasta in the fam. Whole family is Rasta. Look at all the locks going on here. This is a beautiful picture. Look how huge down here. Wearing tams before any of us. 4 years and 3 months. Sick. So these looking like some twists. Two-stranded twisted together. Rubber bands on the end, some bleach on the tips. So we know these aren't the freeform locks. But you know, we appreciate all forms of locks out here, and loving these locks. It's good to see the different styles we can achieve with as men with locks. And I think the mightiest thing of all here is his beard and mustache. That seems like an even bigger commitment than the locks going on his head right here. Loving the look, loving the vibes. If you haven't joined already, this is Not Nation on Reddit, reddit.com/r/NotNation. Come in and throw me your freeform or just lock pictures in general. Get them on the channel, get them on the show. See you guys next time. Peace.